Now, after you've solved the two of the three layers of the Rubik's Cube, it's time for the third layer. In this video, I'm going to teach you the half part to solve the last layer, which is known as orienting the last layer. To get more deep into it, let's start with your teaching. Here, as you can see, you only have the top layer which you can move freely without messing up the other solved pieces. So, you have to perform only the algorithms to solve it out. The last layer solving consists of 4 steps. The first step is solving the cross of the yellow color. The second step is to solve the yellow color or solve the corner pieces, but not orient it. In these two steps, we don't need to orient the yellow piece. These two steps are called orienting the last layer or OLL. To solve the cross, you will have 3 possible cases. The first case is when a straight line is there on the last layer when you have finished solving the 2 layers. You have to remember one thing, that if the edge piece and the center piece form a straight line, then only you will have this type of case, like it is here. If you have a diagonal shaped line, then it's not this case. One more thing you have to keep in your mind is that when you're solving all these 3 cases, you have to ignore the corner pieces. So, to make a cross out of it, we'll perform an algorithm, but first you should be aware that when you're performing the algorithm for this case, keep the straight line horizontal to you, not vertical. So, the algorithm is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And this, as you see, helps us to solve the cross for the last layer. The next case is when the edge pieces and the center pieces form an opposite L shape like this. So keep the cube in this way that its shape faces towards the left side, and then form this simple algorithm, which is F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And that, as you see, helps you to solve the cross from this case too. The last case is when the pieces of the top layer form none shape as given for the above 2 cases. Then what you will do is perform an algorithm which is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, U2, F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And that, as you see, again solves the cross. So that is all for part 5. Whatever you have learned today is only the half part to solve the yellow color. In the next video, I'm going to tell you how to completely solve the yellow color. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.